everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change language on Monster Hunter Now application. So let's get started without wasting much of our time. Tab open Monster Hunter Now application from your app drawer and make sure to log into your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile picture appearing at the bottom left and tap on settings from the bottom menu. Scroll all the way down from your settings menu and tap on use device settings under language. Select the language of your preference you would like to change to and tap on OK, and this will lead the application to restart and your language will now be changed. And that is how you can easily change your display language on Monster Hunter Now. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.